So dear students, a very good afternoon to all of you. So till our last class, I gave you the concept about the horizontal plane, the vertical plane, front view, top view. So now I'm showing you the video class, the video lecture, in which again I'll give a very brief introduction about the front view, top view, horizontal plane, vertical plane, and then I'll take up the problem which I have taken up previously in the previous classes. Okay, so just to understand the concept of horizontal plane and vertical plane. So this is your vertical plane and this is your horizontal plane. Or I can say, if I see or if I look towards this ground, then that will be your horizontal plane, and if I am seeing parallel to the ground, that is your vertical plane. So when we talk about in terms of views, we have the front view and the top view. So front view is when I look parallel to the ground. So this is the ground. When I look parallel to the ground, you have the front view. And similarly top view, when I look towards the ground, that is towards HP, I get the top view. So different positions of the line we have discussed, that is line inclined to the horizontal plane, line inclined to the vertical plane. So again, if we consider this as a line, then the first position line is line parallel to both horizontal plane and the vertical plane. So this is your horizontal plane, this is vertical plane. When I talk in terms of its view, so what will be its front view? Front view will be a line. Similarly, top view will be a line. Now how I get front view and the top view? As I told you in the previous class, from one of the views we generate the other view. So means from front view we can generate the top view, or from the top view we can generate the front view. So that is on the basis of the end projectors of a line. Similarly, line inclined to the horizontal plane or line inclined to the vertical plane. So when the line is inclined to the horizontal plane, initially we'll assume that the line is parallel to the both horizontal plane and vertical plane. Now the problem says line inclined to the horizontal plane. So this is horizontal plane. So I'll change the orientation of the line and then I'll say that the line is inclined to the horizontal plane. So this is horizontal plane, yes. So in front view, what you are able to see? In front view, you are able to see a line which is inclined to the horizontal plane, and top view we will project from the front view. Okay? So now I'm going to draw these problems. I'm going to draw these problems on the board, for which, as I told you, HP and VP. So now you have your XY plane, which is both your HP, horizontal plane, and vertical plane is VP. So first problem I am going to take up, that is line is parallel to both HP and VP. Let us consider that we have a problem in which there is a line having the true length. So true length is designated as your T dot L, true length. Let us say true length of the line is 65 mm. So now what I'll do, suppose we have a problem in which there is a line AB, I'll write here, there is a line AB having true length 65 mm and position of its end point A is 10 mm from both the planes, 10 mm from HP and VP. It means if I have the line this is your horizontal plane, this is your vertical plane. Now position of the point end A. So let us say this is your end point A, this is your end point B. So point A is this, same will be having in the top view. So point A is, let us say, 10 mm above XY and 10 mm in front of vertical plane, 10 mm above HP and 10 mm in front of VP. So what we have to do, we have to draw the projections in such a way that your line will mark the position first. So I'll mark the locus, that is the position of the point. Let us say this is 10 mm and let us say this is 10 mm. So always remember what should be dark and what should be light. So your XY line should be dark because XY is basically plane. So I'll draw the locus now. So this is what? This is your 10 mm 10 mm above xy and 10 mm below xy and the point is this, इस लाइन पे कहीं पे भी, तो इसको हम बोलते हैं लोकस. तो लेट अस से फ्रंट व्यू की इंफॉर्मेशन a dash. So initially we will assume the line is parallel to both horizontal plane and the vertical plane. So when the line is parallel to the horizontal plane, it will show true length in front view and top view. तो front view कैसे होगा? a dash b dash. अब ये आ गया हमारा फ्रंट व्यू. तो फ्रंट व्यू से टॉप व्यू प्रोजेक्ट करना तो कैसे? a डैश से हम प्रोजेक्टर ड्रॉप करेंगे, ऊपर से देखेंगे ऐसे, a डैश से और b डैश से. अब जैसे हमने लोकस लाइन ड्रॉ की हॉरिजॉन्टल प्रोजेक्टर, वैसे ही वर्टिकल प्रोजेक्शन a डैश से इंटरसेक्शन, ये यहाँ पे इंटरसेक्शन होगा, वैसे b डैश से ये इंटरसेक्शन हो रहा है यहाँ पे. सो हमें दो नए पॉइंट मिल गए. तो ये आपको पॉइंट मिल गए a और b, और फिर इसको डार्क करेंगे a और b को. तो यहां हम लिखेंगे टॉप व्यू. ट्रू लेंथ नहीं, ट्रू लेंथ तो दोनों में है, क्योंकि एज लॉन्ग एज द लाइन इज पैरेलल टू बोथ हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन एंड वर्टिकल प्लेन, इट विल शो ट्रू लेंथ इन बोथ HP एंड VP. Correct? So a dash b dash true length, that is 65 mm. Then a dash b dash is the front view and AB is the top view. Now how to distinguish between front view and top view? It is on the basis of the designation of symbols or letters. If you have the front view, then the letters or symbols in front view are designated as a dash, 1 dash, like this. So superscript dash. And in the top view you have your AB or 1 2. So this is your first step. तो आपको ध्यान रखना है कि देखो जैसे मैंने बनाया है, डार्क क्या है, लाइट क्या है. अब यहाँ पे ये क्या है? लोकस. तो हम यहाँ लिखेंगे लोकस ऑफ A, B. क्यों? क्योंकि A और B जो टॉप व्यू के पॉइंट है वो दोनों एक ही लाइन पे आ रहे हैं. तो दिस इज हॉरिजॉन्टल प्रोजेक्टर, इसको हम बोलते हैं लोकस. लोकस ऑफ A, B. इट मींस ये टॉप व्यू की इंफॉर्मेशन है. सिमिलरली 10 mm ऊपर पॉइंट A डैश था, तो दिस इज लोकस ऑफ A डैश, B डैश. बाकी जो मैंने यहाँ लिखा था HP, VP, ट्रू लेंथ, आपको लिखने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, सिर्फ आपको समझाने के लिए. इसका ड्राइंग के साथ कोई लिंक नहीं है. ठीक है? आपका एक्चुअल सोल्यूशन ये है, ये प्रॉब्लम थी आपकी. Correct? So this was the first problem in which line is parallel to both HP and VP. So I am now giving a pause to this problem and then I'll come to the next problem.